Hi everyone, welcome to Senega TV with me, Rich Gibbons, and now we're going to take a look at IBM's financial results for FY24, which closed December 31st, 2024. So, overall revenue was up 1% to 17.6 billion for the quarter, and within that, software was up 10%, infrastructure was down 8%. So for Q4 FY24, just shy of 18 billion revenue there. Software was up 10%, as I say. Within that, Red Hat was up 16%, automation up 15%, and then data and AI increased by 4%, as well as security. So there's some good increases there for Red Hat and automation. Red Hat continues to be the shining star for IBM's software portfolio, and more granular as well. OpenShift within the Red Hat portfolio has grown approximately 25% and is now 1.4 billion annual recurring revenue for IBM. So Q4 showed good growth in the software space, particularly Red Hat. And automation, I think automation is probably related to people getting more involved with AI projects as well. For the full year, FY24, overall revenue was 62.8 billion, which was also a 1% increase. And looking at it across the 12 months, software was up 8% for the year, infrastructure was down 4% for the year. So slightly smaller numbers than in Q4, but the same kind of direction. Now, Arvind Krishna, CEO of IBM, has stated that IBM's Gen AI book of business is now more than $5 billion. Looking into the earnings call, some of the further information, I thought it was interesting that of that $5 billion, $1 billion is coming from software, $4 billion is coming through the consulting side of IBM. So lots of consulting work, lots of helping people with AI, but nowhere near as much selling AI products, which I assume, we'll see some changes with that. IBM, of course, have their Watson portfolio, which, back in the day with Deep Blue winning the chess matches against Kasparov, IBM have got a long history of this kind of thing. So I'm sure that will grow. Also mentioned various acquisitions that they've made, HashiCorp, which is coming up to closing soon. But two that he called out were Accel Alpha, who are an Oracle service provider. That closed in Q4. And then there's an upcoming acquisition about to close for Applications Technology Software, who are a consultancy focused on Oracle cloud applications. So again, interesting that IBM making moves in the Oracle space, on the consulting side. So IBM, their portfolio is huge, lots going on. Overall, 1% increase, so relatively steady growth within software and Red Hat in particular, and lots of positivity about AI going forwards. So that is IBM for FY24, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.